Hi friends, welcome to #Meet. Today in this video, I'll continue the series of lectures in Java collections. So for today's lecture, I will bring on list list topic, that is list being an interface and ArrayList being a class that implements list interface. So just to give a brief idea that how a list can be created and how we can enter it through it, I have just created a list over here. It's a list of mobile phones. So as you can see, I have added the method in the list using add add method. So it's present over here. Over the list method, you just hover the over mouse here to give add, and you are able to add that member on the list. So I have added 4 items over there: Apple iPhone 11, Samsung M30s, OnePlus 10 Pro, Asus ROG Phone 6. So these are the various elements that I've added over here. So similarly, as elements can be added, elements can also be removed from here. As you can see in the remove method, there were two methods actually. By index you can remove, or by there are actually four methods are there: remove, remove all, remove if, by index, and by object. The specific remove method is according to the index and according to the object. So in the object method, I will just specify the uh, string name which I want to delete from the list, from the collection. Let's see how it works. So if I specify over here access ROG phone 6 or there. So firstly, what we'll do, firstly, I will just print the entire output of ArrayList starts, entire output of ArrayList, and I will take this operation of remove after the list is printed, entire list. It's printed. Note here. Similarly, as you have printed over there, I will use this out and system out dot println, system dot out dot println, and I'll print as the modified list output starts. Similarly, I use note to compile the output. See, the output is compiled over here, and as you can see in front of the screen, that the firstly it prints entire output of the list. List starts, and it prints all the elements that are listed over here, starting from Apple iPhone 11, followed by Samsung M30s, OnePlus 10 Pro, Asus ROG Phone 6. The correct order that I added them is printed correctly. So this output goes well. After that, whatever done, we have just removed the access ROG phone 6, the element that was at fourth position. I've just removed it using remove method followed by the object, and also similarly I can remove it by specifying the index over here. So for current purpose, I've taken object, and I specified which specifically element needs to be deleted. So it takes that element name, you have to specify which you have to delete it, and after that it's correctly printed on the screen. So the final modified output is for the iPhone 11, Samsung M30s, OnePlus 10 Pro. So it correctly prints the modified list output of the array list. So this particular video was regarding just give an introductory demo of ArrayList and some of its operation that can be achieved using the power of Java 8. So do keep liking, subscribing, hashtag me, more to come on core Java basics and other advanced topics. Bye for now.